Hey there, thanks for dropping by, and if you're new to this channel, a very warm welcome to you. Are you learning English and do you sometimes forget to use capital letters or are not sure of how and when to use it? Then this video is definitely for you. Today, I'll be talking about how to use capital letters correctly. Let's check them out. Number 1, first word of every sentence. You always got to start off the right way. We always begin our sentence with a capital letter. I sometimes notice with my students that they would forget to use this first rule. A lot of times people are just trying to get their thoughts down quickly, and small mistakes creep up when you're not careful. Number 2, names and proper nouns. Your name is important and it's specific to only you. Because we identify you with your name, we always use a capital letter in the first letter of each word. Take a look at this example. Jessica Lee. We can see this person's name is missing the capital letters. Let's go ahead and fix that. Here are 2 words, coffee, Starbucks. Now, I love coffee. It gives me that extra boost that I need for the day. You can see that I didn't use a capital letter for coffee, but I did for Starbucks. This is because coffee is a general noun. It's the general name of a thing. Meanwhile, Starbucks is very specific. It's the name of the brand or company. So we use capital letters in proper nouns. This rule works for any proper nouns. Here are a few more examples. City, New York. Country, Spain. Museum, the Natural History Museum. Hotel, Hilton. Let's check out number 3. 3, days, months, and holidays. When it comes to time, we normally capitalize the days and months. Here's an example. Monday, January. What do we need to do? Capital letters. We change it like this. We have to use capital letters like this for the names of days and months. But what about holidays? Let's check it out here. Here I have a holiday, Thanksgiving Day, one of America's most celebrated holidays. But as you can see, we have a problem. It's missing capital letters. Let's rewrite the holiday like this. We can see that we have capital letters in the beginning of each word. So we use capital T and D here. This rule applies to any holiday, so don't forget it. Number 4, honorifics and professional titles. When we use honorifics or professional titles, we have to use capital letters. Honorifics like Mr., Mrs., Miss should be capitalized. We normally add this with a person's last name. For example, Mr. Sanchez, Mrs. Kim, Miss Taylor. We also do the same with professional titles like Doctor, Professor, Senator, President. If we add the names, it would look like this. Dr. Rosenberg, Professor Lim, Senator Elizabeth Warren, President Biden. Awesome! Almost made it down the home stretch, so stay on to find out the rest. Number 5, cities, countries, nationalities, and languages. Previously, we spoke about cities and countries, and remember, we have to capitalize the names like this. Tokyo, Japan, London, England. Now, what about nationalities and languages? We also use capital letters. For example, British is the nationality. English is the language. Chinese is the nationality. Mandarin is the language. So we use capital letters like this in this situation. Number 6, time periods and events. When we look at our history, we sometimes name a specific time or event that happened. Let's take war, for example. During specific events, we capitalize the name. For example, World War II, Vietnam War, the Middle Ages, the Great Depression. If you're a history buff, don't forget to capitalize those time periods. Okay, let's check out the final one. Number 7, titles of books, movies, or show. When we come across books or any sort of entertainment, we see the names of those things. Let's take a few movies, for example. Fast and Furious, Spider-Man, No Way Home, How to Train Your Dragon. You notice that this looks odd. So we clean this up and add our capital letters. Awesome guys, we made it to the end and I hope that this has been really helpful for you. Remember that capital letters are important and you should always follow those rules. Just to show me that you get it, tell me where you are from, who you are, and what was the last really good movie you saw. Leave it in the comments. Thanks for sticking around guys. Also, check out my link after this video for a free English test to see how your English level is. You can check it out in the description. Okay, time to get out of here. So thanks again. My name's Joe, your English specialist, and this is Hula. Bye.